So in this video we are going to talk about Multigo, which is a very powerful open source intelligence information gathering tool, right? So this is a quite powerful tool and you can gather multiple types of information using this tool, as you can see it over here. So mine, merge, map, it's their motive, and you can download this tool on uh, Windows machine as well, but in Kali Linux it's already installed. So we are going to see how we can use Multigo and see what are the options available in Multigo. So Multigo gather information from different sources. You can see it over here. So it gathers information from multiple sources and provide you a graphical interface where you can map the information and find out some critical informations as well, and map your target in a graphical way, right? So let me open Multigo first. So let's just minimize the website, and you can open Multigo using your command terminal as well. So all you have to do is type Multigo, right, and the Multigo will be opened. And other than that, you can open Multigo from information gathering section. Here is Multigo, so let's just click it over here. And it might take some time because it's a suite of multiple types of tools. So it might take time to start. So over here you can see four different options. Multigo XL, which is a premium solution and you have to purchase this one. Multigo Classic is also a purchased version, and Multigo CE, which is a community edition, which is free, but you have to sign up for this. And Multigo Case File is also free, but it does not gather information from the internet. You can only map the information which you already have, right? So we are going to use Multigo Community Edition, and for that you have to sign up and register on Multigo site, which I have shown you before. So let's just accept and do next. Over here you have to sign up, or you can click it over here to register. So I'll pause the video over here, and then you can register and then sign up, then we can continue. So once you sign up, you will see this screen, right? So make sure you see this screen, and it will say welcome to Community Edition, and let's just do next. And it will install all the transforms, and we will discuss what transform is in a moment. Right, so all the transforms are installed now. Let's just do next, and we will keep it off. And select mode and normal mode, there are two different modes. So when you will be gathering information on the normal mode, it might reveal some of your information to the network or the system from which you are gathering the information, right? In the select mode, it will try to keep this your information as secure as possible, right? So it's for your privacy mode, right? So I'll keep it on select. And it's asking us to open a blank graph, or I'll just do it go away, and let's just finish, and let's just close it, right? So over here you can see a transform hub, right? So there are two different things in Multigo. The first one is entity and the other one is transform, which you are seeing it over here. So entity is something which you already know, right? Like a domain name or a person name or an email address. Those will become your entity, and on those entity you will run some transforms which are provided over here. By running those transforms you will gather some other information. Then you can run other transforms on the information you got, and then you can gather other information as well, right? So it's a process. We will see it in a moment. So these are two things in Multigo, right? So we will see what entity is in a moment as well, right? So over here you can see a few options. The number of results is how many results you want to get. right? And the same privacy option is also available over here, which we discussed before. And there is a view option. So there are multiple options which you can investigate, so it's not that hard. So let me just open a simple graph, right? So over here you can see entities, right? So device is an entity. If you know anything about the device, or DNS name, domain name, these are entities, right? So over here you can see a URL, or anything, you know, website, any hash which you know, right? So email addresses which you know. So these are entities, right? So in the next video we are going to see how we can utilize these entities and run a few tests on those entities and try to gather further information about our specific target, right? In this video, let's just also install few transforms as well, which we will utilize in our next video. So have I been pawned? This is a very good transformer which I'm going to install, right? So you can install it as well. So you can install this transform, and in the next video we are going to see how we can use Multigo to find out further about our specific target or specific person, right?